We were told being a man meant shutting down, that power meant silence, that softness meant weakness. We were taught to grind until we broke and then be ashamed for being tired. It's not masculinity, it's emotional exile. Culture rewards distraction, not reflection. Stoics taught us different. True strength is mastering the self, daily, quietly, intentionally. This work isn't about becoming someone new. It's about returning to who you were before the world told you who to be. The war isn't out there, it's inside. And if you don't master your inner world, the world will master you. You were meant for more. We were meant for more.